If you enjoy having that extra drink and feel smashed over the weekend, if you snort cocaine, if you smoke a spliff every day or get high over the weekend, and you're a parent, someone needs to tell you this. And it's going to be me, Matthew Bartolo, Unfiltered Therapy. This is where I share my thoughts and what I've learned from the thousands of people I work with in therapy. Research is very clear that when you are doing substances, especially marijuana, and in the presence of your kids, especially if they're under the age of 18, their brain is still developing, and inhaling secondhand marijuana is affecting the development of the brain cells of your kids. It's researched, it's documented, it is true. If you do marijuana, snort cocaine, get smashed through alcohol, when your kids are not present, it is still affecting them directly. How? If the following day you're not up to being as energetic and giving them the attention that they need, it's going to make them doubt if they've done anything wrong. Our kids are very sensitive to us, especially nowadays where we don't spend so much time with them, so they crave our attention, not because they're selfish, but because they are egocentric. Yes, they do believe that the world revolves around them because they are children. And your reaction, how you are with them or in their presence, they tend to put the blame or the responsibility onto themselves. And if they feel that you are not engaging with them, you don't have the energy, the time for them, and they know because they're aware they didn't do anything wrong, they're going to blame it onto who they are. So my dad is angry, my dad is not present, my mom is really not up for spending time with me today, and I haven't done anything wrong, so it must be me. They are not happy with who I am. And that does put them into shame, guilt, and attachment disorders that will affect them when they are adults and they are starting to relate with others themselves. So even if you are doing substances and drugs, your kids are not present physically, and you are spending time with them the day after, 2 days later, yes, you are affecting them directly and most of the time permanently. If you are choosing obviously people who are into substances, into getting smashed over the weekend because they deserve it, because they worked a lot, you are surrounding yourself with people who are okay with you getting drunk because you just got separated. What kind of people are you introducing to your kids? What are they teaching them about coping strategies? What are you teaching them about coping strategies? So when there is a problem, are they seeing you struggle and get over that problem by finding healthy solutions? Or are they saying that you don't talk about these problems because your way of coping is very unhealthy? Think about what you're doing. There's a lot of help available around you, and be better, be a good parent for your kids.